Rewiring your brain for success. Today, we will explore how the fascinating concept of brain rewiring can lead to success. You may have heard of neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to rewire and reshape itself based on our thoughts, actions, and experiences. This isn't just about science or motivation. It's about unlocking the potential that already exists within you. What is neuroplasticity? It refers to the brain's remarkable ability to rewire and reshape itself based on our thoughts, behaviors, and life experiences. The most amazing part, this capacity doesn't fade with age. It stays with us throughout life, and we can use it as a powerful tool to change habits, improve our mindset, and ultimately transform our lives. How the brain changes. Picture your brain as a living, breathing network that's constantly evolving. Every thought you've had, every feeling you've experienced, and every action you've taken has contributed to shaping your brain's unique architecture. Think of your brain as a vast, interconnected web, constantly being molded by the patterns you follow. When you repeatedly engage in a particular behavior, or entertain a specific thought, the brain responds by forming neural pathways, which are like mental highways. These pathways strengthen with repetition, which is why the things you do regularly, like brushing your teeth, checking your phone, reacting to stress, or starting your day in a specific way, eventually become second nature. This repetition is what builds habits, both helpful and harmful. Over time, these neural roots become deeply ingrained, allowing your brain to operate more efficiently by automating certain responses. This is why after years of practicing a routine, you can perform tasks with minimal conscious thought. Your brain has wired itself for speed and familiarity. But here's the truly exciting revelation. The same brain flexibility that created those automatic habits is also what allows you to transform them. You are not locked into your current patterns. You are not defined by your past reactions. The brain's ability to change, its plasticity, means you have the power to reroute and rebuild those pathways through intention and effort. By consciously choosing to shift your perspective, develop new behaviors, or even challenge old beliefs, you begin to carve out fresh neural roots. It's as if you're paving a brand new road over a trail that once led in the wrong direction. Over time, the new path becomes more dominant, while the old one fades from lack of use. These changes don't happen instantly, but they are absolutely within your reach. This ability to reshape your inner wiring means that your brain can grow in the direction of your goals, becoming a powerful ally on your journey to success. So, instead of viewing your current habits or mindset as permanent, start seeing them as flexible, moldable, and open to change. With persistence and purpose, you have everything you need to reprogram your brain and guide it toward a more empowered, aligned, and successful version of yourself. How brain rewiring happens. Brain rewiring begins when you intentionally adopt new behaviors and replace limiting thought patterns with empowering ones. With repetition, the neural circuits supporting these new behaviors grow stronger. Meanwhile, the old, unproductive circuits begin to fade due to lack of use. Just like muscles, the brain strengthens the parts that are used more frequently and lets the others weaken. This isn't just a feel-good theory. It's backed by science. Studies show that practices like mindfulness, continuous learning, and even how we respond to stress can physically alter the brain's structure. Researchers have captured changes in brain scans that prove people who apply these mental techniques literally reshape their brains over time. A real-life example. Learning to play a musical instrument. In the beginning, your fingers might feel stiff, uncoordinated, and completely disconnected from what your brain is trying to tell them to do. Every movement seems clunky, and even simple tunes can feel overwhelmingly difficult. But then something remarkable happens. After consistent, dedicated practice over several weeks or even months, a shift begins. Suddenly, your fingers respond more fluidly. You don't have to think quite so hard about where to place them. Your rhythm improves. Playing starts to feel natural. That's neuroplasticity in action. Your brain forming new connections and adapting to the demands of a new skill. This same transformation applies when you're working toward success in any other area of life. Whether you're trying to build a productive morning routine, enhance your communication skills, better manage stress, or reach a major personal or professional goal, the process is the same. Every small, consistent, and intentional action you take lays down a new set of instructions for your brain. These repeated steps begin to mold mold your mental wiring, making the new habits easier and more automatic with time. The beauty of this process lies in its accessibility. Anyone can begin it at any point in life. There's no magic switch, just the steady application of focused effort. Every day that you choose to practice your new behavior, you're reinforcing the neural pathways that support it. And as those pathways strengthen, what once felt awkward and unfamiliar starts to become effortless and familiar. With time, your brain becomes a reliable partner in your growth, helping to sustain your progress and support your long-term success. A simple morning ritual to get started. If you're wondering where to start, try a simple morning mindset ritual. Take just 5 minutes each morning to sit quietly and visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals, giving a powerful presentation, celebrating a win, or completing a major project. Use all your senses. What do you hear, see, feel, even smell? This vivid visualization activates the parts of your brain connected to real action. But don't stop at visualization. Reinforce this new mental image by writing down one specific action you'll take today to move closer to your goal. It could be sending a crucial email, practicing a skill, or simply learning something new. This act of writing helps make your intentions real and strengthens the neural connections you're building. Consistency is key. What you're doing is more than setting goals. You're programming your brain to succeed, and the true magic lies in consistency. When repeated daily, this practice trains your brain to spot opportunities, make decisions faster, and stay aligned with your goals, all on its own. Final thoughts. Neuroplasticity is your brain's natural superpower. It's always active, whether you realize it or not. By consciously directing this power, you gain the ability to change not just your behaviors, but also your results. You're laying the groundwork for lasting growth, mental resilience, and long-term success. Just remember, change takes time. It's not an overnight process, but with steady effort, repetition, and belief in your ability to grow, your brain will adapt, and it will help you reach your goals. Keep at it. Keep visualizing, keep acting, keep believing. Your brain is listening, and it's ready to help you succeed. I do want to take the time to say, thank you very much for watching. If you genuinely enjoyed this video, then don't be shy to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure all your notifications are turned on.